You asked, how to divide 225,000 by 4 using the long division method. 2 is too small. Use 22. 22 divided by 4 equals 5. 5 times 4 equals 20. 22 minus 20 equals 2. Bring down 5, making 25. 25 divided by 4 equals 6. 6 times 4 equals 24. 25 minus 24 equals 1. Bring down 0, making 10. 10 divided by 4 equals 2. 2 times 4 equals 8. 10 minus 8 equals 2. Bring down 0, making 20. 20 divided by 4 equals 5. 5 times 4 equals 20. 20 minus 20 equals 0. Bring down 0, making 0. 0 divided by 4 equals 0. 0 times 4 equals 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 56,250.